I'm growing. Motherfuckers holding the biggest sacks you ever seen in green, hold it. I'm going stupid. But anyway, you should know all the information that I'm using. Cause fuck it, you might go talk to the popo. So fuck it, I'm on some other levels. Turn down the shit past Waianae police station. Motherfuckers ain't saying shit. Shocker to them brothers. Motherfucker eating good, check the gut. The boy gutter, rolling with Philly blunt. The boy blunted. And how you the barber shop? I don't get cutted. I cut my own hair. Stop and stare. Right down the road, I see the police by 7-Eleven, 24/7. I'm high like Devin, doodle on you on the toilet. I'm smiling, motherfucker, enjoy it. Cause this the realest, you gon' get it for a minute. This other motherfuckers can't spit it. I just shit it on your vision. Envision me and him in your crib and you waking. Awaken to that, that's the statement. I'm trying to paint with these rhymes in your faces. But anyway, I passed the bus stop. I got a pocket full of that chronic. Holla at your boy, he's smoking all it. Rolling the biggest motherfucking dudes you seen. And it ain't none of that swag. The bag is crystallized like it's mess. Check the method. Fucking, it ain't stress, but check all the people honking at my appearance in Waianae. I'm not supposed to be on the west side, but here I am with Philly blunt. Holla, that was my alma mater, but now I roll with an armada, not rolling with Prada. But check the Burberry growing strawberries, fucking kicking it in the green beast with a beast named Phil, smoking that shit, looking at the Reese. Chill, get it from the east. Won't say no names, but fucking creep with me in my slippers. Everybody's got slippers, not slipping, and give it to Phil.
You gonna keep it real with me too. Nah, the tired man too.